Namaste Gurukulian. I hope you are healthy at your home and applying all the precautionary measure for the safety of your family and yourself also. So dear student, today again we are here with second chapter of plus 2 class. It is yoga and lifestyle. It is part second. As you know, in previous part we completed about yoga, origin of yoga, from which country it originated, that China claiming that it came from China. Even according to Patanjali, in 147 BC he written a book that named Yoga Sutra. According to that, the history of yoga is very old in India also. Or after that, nowadays you know, cause of that Baba Ramdev ji, that significance of yoga very increased very much in our society. Even we run toward the Ayurvedic treatments cause of yoga. Even itself yoga is also a treatment of a disease before its occur. So today yoga and lifestyle. Dear students, today at first we will do obesity. What is obesity, or which asanas we can do to prevent ourselves, that we can remove fat from our body, or we can prevent ourselves before coming that adipose tissue in our around our that body, or in our body we can say. So at first, obesity. Obesity, you know that simply thing, it is a accumulation of fat in individual's body, but in male or female the accumulation of adipose tissue in different part. At first, accumulation of fat in excess called obesity. If we talk in male, generally it happen near our chest or abdominal area. Chest or abdominal area. Even we can say that our shoulder also involved. Shoulders, chest, around the rib cage, and that our shoulder, arms. Whenever a individual run toward the become obese, that obesity, then fat accumulate near the chest, around the rib cage, abdominal area, that tummy or shoulders. This area, upper portion, we can say superior part of the body, that become obese. Or in female, pelvic region, pelvic area is that downward from the abdominal part and upward from the knees, that area, thighs, that pelvic buttocks, and that a little bit part of the downward of the abdominal, that area, that fat accumulate in females. One more thing, how we can measure a person is under obesity or not. Dear student, maybe you listen BMI. Full form of BMI is body mass index. It is given by Adolf Quetelet. He given that BMI. In BMI, he given a graph chart. In one side there is a weight and upper side there is a height. I will give you example. like this. Here weight in kilogram, like 44, 45, 46, 47, and here height in centimeter. Simply we can say 150, 152, 154, 156, like this. Or here given the weight category, like a person having a 150 centimeter height, so his weight is 47. So here is the given BMI, that numerical form according to the formula what will come out, that is given here. So that is the category here he is stand. It divided in 4 or 5 categories according to BMI. It is an example only, not everything like this, but only example. Here height will be there in centimeter, here weight will be there in centimeter. Weight category, formula of BMI. Weight in kilogram divided by height in centimeter square. That is the formula of BMI. Okay, according to this formula, what will come out, that is the BMI of the individual, or that numerical you have to check in the chart where you will stand, that is your BMI. Or through that categories given by BMI, that given by Adolf Quetelet, check your numerical, it is under which category. In that underweight, normal, overweight, obesity first class, obesity second class, obesity third class, mean in dangerous zone. Normal, underweight, category below 18.5, below 18.5. Normal 18.5 to 24.5, 24.99. Overweight, overweight category is 25.2, 29.9. Obesity first class, that is 29.2, 35.9. Sorry, 30 to 34.9. Second class, it is 35 to 39.9. Or third class, that is danger one, above 40, above 40. So through this formula your category will come under these category, under these numerical, like 18.5 it will come 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, who are that thin, less weight they will found that below 18. Like this, wherever you will come, you have to check in BMI chart, or that chart will show you in which category you are existing. You are underweight, you are normal one, you are overweight, you are in obesity first class, obesity second class, obesity third class, or in danger zone. Obesity first, second or third, both all are in the danger category. Means the person who is standing in obesity first class, second class, third class, maybe they have the problem of cardiovascular disease, maybe they have diabetes, or many more postural deformity maybe took place in their body. Why obesity take place? Like why a normal person become obese? What is the reason? Reason of obesity. First one is, we can say, genetics. Anuvanshikta. Many of the children, when they are growing, they become obese because the same pattern were there when their parents were in the same age, or their parents in the same age. That is the genetics, अनुवांशिकता. जैसे माता पिता हैं वैसे ही बच्चे होते हैं. In many, maybe one time you will check around you, many of the students are under obesity, or when we saw their parents, the same body structure their parents are having, it means the main cause is genetics, cause of genetics. Second one is bad eating habits. Bad eating habits means nowadays what happen in our society, or whenever we go in that urban area, shops are there. In that shops they are giving fast food, junk food, chips, burger, pizza. These type of eatable materials we found in urban area, or that is these things like burger, pizza, they are full of calories. Means if I eat pizza, it give me the excess calories more than what I require. So bad eating habits means nowadays people interested toward the junk food. They used to eat continuously in a week 2 or 3 times junk food, or it gives them more calorie, or they are not burning that calorie through physical activity, through their daily routine. Because of that they become obese. That is also a main cause. Third one, no activity. Everything have a two part, we can say, like a one coin having a two part. The person who is not having much money, he have to do struggle a lot, or the person who is having lots of money, his daily routine is dull, nothing he is doing. So both side, like money is there, there is no money. The person who is not having money, he is struggling to achieve the higher level, to become rich. He is doing struggle. But in struggle what happen? In struggle he is doing lots of activity. That activity bring physical fitness in the individual. But other side, the person who is rich, he is not doing proper physical activity. His daily routine is dull. He become habitual because more facilities he is having. That workers or peons like this, workers doing their work, like a cook is there who is making food, gardener is there who is maintain the garden of the rich person, even driver is there who is driving his car. Like this, the general thing, the daily routine, what we have to do from ourselves, the rich person is not doing. Cause of that, many of the person who is rich are under the dangerous obesity category. But year by year, day by day, the concentration, the focus toward the fitness, it's increasing because of that. Parks are there, in parks that open gyms are there for the elder person or for the normal person. Those are above 40, they can do walking or running. Or nowadays, special during this pandemic, what happened in the society, that craze toward the cycling, it's increasing drastically. So no activity, the person who is not doing the activity, physical activity, we can say inactivity, no activity, automatically he become obese, because what he is eating in his meal, means breakfast, lunch and dinner, continuously only he is eating, he is grabbing the calories, but in other hand side he is not burning that calories. If we take carbohydrates in excess, what happen, that excess carbohydrates, that excess calories change in fat and accumulate around our liver, or outside if we saw that around our abdominal area, chest, especially in male, in female pelvic area. So it is also a reason. Fourth one, frequently eating habits. Eating habits means the individual are not take his meal at proper time, like morning time should be fixed for the breakfast, or even science or Ayurveda or yoga also said what is the accurate time for taking breakfast, lunch and dinner, or how much activity we have to do after taking our meal. Even in India, what happened, in India the system is opposite. People say that in the morning we have to take light food, lunch we have to take good, or at night people used to eat a lot in India. But the actual sense is, in the morning we have to take a healthy breakfast, because after took breakfast we have to do our daily routine, we have to do activities that are sufficient to digest that meal. Lunch we have to take properly, or at night we have to take light dinner, because after dinner many of the people are there, they go to sleep, but we have to do walking 1-3 kilometers after take dinner. So frequently eating habits means people used to eat after some time, like 8 o'clock they took breakfast, then 9 o'clock they took anything, 10 o'clock they ate peanuts, after 11 o'clock they take juice, like this. After short duration they used to eat many things. So it is also a reason of obesity. Fifth one nowadays, like depression, anxiety, stress, these type of things, mental health we can say. The person who is not mentally okay, means the person is depressed, the person is having anxiety, the person having a stress, it is also a big reason to become obese, because the person who is always in stress, some symptoms are there of stress, like the person is having insomnia, means neend na aana. Second one, the person may be sleep a lot, continuously he is taking his meal and sleep, it is also a symptom. So these type of things bring the obesity in the individual, so it is also a main cause. Sixth one, no balanced diet. Balanced diet, you know, whenever we talk about the balanced diet, first thing came in our mind, that is carbohydrate, protein, fat, vitamin, minerals, water, all things we have to take in our meal in appropriate manner. If I talk about fat, total 100% if calorie we are taking, so out of 100% 45 to 65% from carbohydrates, from carbs, means 45 to 65% we are taking from carbohydrates. Second one, protein, 35% we are taking from fat. Protein, it is the building block, means to maintain our health, to maintain our muscle mass, it is helpful. But 45 to 65% calories we are taking from carbohydrate, 35% from fat. Or rest of the work that minerals or vitamin are doing, like prevent our body from the diseases, vitamins and minerals, that is divided in micromineral, macromineral. Because macronutrients, carbohydrate, fat, protein or water. Microminerals, in microminerals that is divided in two categories, macrominerals or micromineral. In macrominerals there is calcium, potassium, 2-3 more things are there, 2-3 things are there. And in microminerals there is iodine, iron, zinc, like this. So it is the reason of obesity. So dear student, for today this much. What is obesity? Cause of obesity, or some asanas we can do to remove the obesity from our body. That is a trick I made, especially first one is Vajrasana, second one is Hastasana, third one is Trikonasana, fourth one is Vajrasana, Hastasana, Trikonasana, Ardha Matsyendrasana. Ardha Matsyendra Asana. These four asanas are suggested by the yogic, the person who are professional in yoga, that Vajrasana, Hastasana, Hastasana also known as Urdhva Hastasana, Trikonasana, Ardha Matsyendrasana. So these asanas we have to do to remove the obesity from the body, or the person who is fit and fine. He also suggested to do these asanas that he will not become obese in the future. So one trick is there. Only one asana we make of these four asanas, that is Vajra, Hast, Trikon, Trik, Ardhasana. That name you have to remember. Vajra, Hast, Triko, Vajra, Hast, Triko, Ardhasana. Vajra, Hast, Triko, Ardhasana. Vajra, Hast, Triko, Ardhasana. Means Vajrasana, Hast, Hastasana, Trikonasana, and Ardha Matsyendrasana. So it is the simple name for the obesity. Even we can connect this with obesity, like obesity Vajra Hast Triko Ardhasana. Obesity Vajra Hast Triko Ardhasana. Obesity Vajra Hast Triko Ardhasana means all asanas we can do through tricks. It is the only formula to remember these asanas. We will make with like asthma, back pain, all things, all disease are there, general disease. So we will do tricks, through tricks we will do to learn these asanas. So it is the obesity Vajra Hastriko Ardha Asana, obesity Vajra Hastriko Ardha Asana. It is the trick. In next part we will do these asanas. So तब तक के लिए सभी को नमस्ते, थैंक यू.